Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Myself Arun. So today in this video, we are going to provide the solution for this question. A financial advisor at Diehl Investments identified two companies that are likely candidates for a takeover in near future. So they have provided some constraints here. These all are the constraints. And in that part, they have used four questions for their subparts. For part A, they are saying formulate the linear programming in the model so that can be used to determine the number of shares of Eastern Cable and the number of shares of the ComSwitch that will meet the investment constraints and maximize the total return of the investment. In the second part, we need to provide the graphical solution of the feasible reason. And in the third part, we need to determine the coordinates of each extreme points. And the fourth part, they are asking for the optimal solution. So we have used Excel solution and data solver to provide the solution for this question. So let me go back to the Excel. So this is the Excel part and this is the Excel solution. As we can see here, we have used two variables for part A. First is E, the number of shares of the Eastern Cable, and then the C, number of shares for the ComSwitch. And this is the maximum 15E plus 18C. Now here, this is the decision variables for C and E, and we have used Excel solver to provide the solution. These all are the constants, C1, C2, C3, and C4. And these are the constants, that is 50,000 for the maximum investment and 15,000 for minimum return, 10,000 again ComSwitch minimum, and 25,000 for ComSwitch maximum. Now in the part B, this is the solution for part B, and they were asking for the graphical view. So this is the graphical view of that solution where we have four constants, C1, C2, and C3, and C4. Now this is the minimum Eastern Cable. Then this is the maximum ComSwitch. This area is the optimal solution. Yeah, this one. This one is the optimal solution. And this one is the minimum ComSwitch. And this is the part C. They were asking 4 extreme points. So this is the 4 extreme points we have created using graph. And then part D, they were asking for the optimal solution. So solution is 625 for E and C is 1000 and total return is 27,375. We have also provided the sensitivity report here in this question using Excel solver. So this is the sensitivity report, and then this is the answer, final value and the original value. So I will be providing my WhatsApp number and Telegram number in the description part of this video. You to get this file, you can just let me know. You can email me or WhatsApp or Telegram me, and I will be sharing you the Excel file. And thank you. Hope you all have enjoyed this video. So thank you, and we'll meet soon. Bye.